ang Laplace transform ng t squared. So again, by definition, that's integral from 0 to infinity of e to the minus st t squared dt. So that's integral from 0 to infinity of t squared e to the minus st dt. So again, using integration by parts, let u be equal to t squared, du is 2t dt. dv is e to the minus st dt. So ang integral niya is v equal to negative 1 over s e to the minus st. So again, maglalagay ako ng negative s and compensate with negative 1 over s here. So this now is equal to negative 1 over s t squared e to the negative st. The 1 over s times that is negative. T squared e to the negative st minus integral of v times du. So this is negative 2 over s t e to the minus st dt. So that's plus 2 over s integral t e to the minus st dt. So from 0 to infinity, from 0 to infinity. So again, integration by parts ulit. So let u be equal to t, du is dt. dv is the same lang nung nasa taas. So same. So that's plus 2 over s. Integral of u dv is u times v. So ito na yung u, ito yung v. So negative 1 over s t e to the minus st minus integral of v times du. So that's negative 1 over s e to the minus st dt. So negative 2 over s squared t e to the minus st from 0 to infinity. Then this negative is positive preceded by a positive here becomes plus 2 over s squared integral from 0 to infinity of e to the minus st dt. So this is 2 over s squared t e to the minus st from 0 to infinity minus 2 over s cubed e to the minus st from 0 to infinity. Since integral nito is negative 1 over s times 2 over s squared is negative 2 over s cubed. So let's copy this first term. So negative 1 over s t squared e to the minus st from 0 to infinity. So this is now negative 1 over s. Applying the limits, that's 0 infinity upper squared e to the minus infinity minus 0 squared e to the negative s times 0, negative 2 over s squared, infinity e to the minus infinity, upper is infinity e to the minus infinity, 0, 0 times any is 0, minus 2s cubed e to the minus infinity, minus lower limit, 0. So again, nung napag-usapan natin kanina, if I'm going to take the limit as b approaches infinity, so kung ito ay b squared, so this is a finite value multiplied by 0 is 0. This is 0. Same is true with this. This is a finite value times 0 is 0 and then minus 0. So lahat ng ito ay 0 at ito ay 0. So this is negative 2 over s cubed times 0 minus 1, negative 1. So this is therefore 2 over s cubed. So, ang sagot natin, Laplace transform of t squared is equal to 2 over s cubed. So, last, what if I wish to find the Laplace transform of, say, hyperbolic cosine of t? So, we all know that this is equal to Laplace transform of 1/2 e to the t plus e to the minus t. So again, by definition, pag substitute natin, kukunin natin ang Laplace transform e to the minus st times the quantity 1/2 e to the t plus e to the minus t. dt. So we will have 1/2 quantity integral from 0 to infinity of e to the minus st e to the t dt plus integral from 0 to infinity of e to the minus st e to the minus t dt. So that's 1/2 times the quantity integral from 0 to infinity of e to the minus s minus 1 t dt plus integral from 0 to infinity of e to the minus quantity s plus 1 t dt. So to integrate that, magpo-provide muna ako dito ng negative quantity s minus 1 and then compensate with negative 1 over s minus 1. Maglalagay ako ng negative quantity s plus 1. Maglalagay ako dito ng negative quantity s plus 1. So this is now 1/2 times the quantity, negative 1 over s minus 1 e to the minus s minus 1t from 0 to infinity. This is minus 1 over s plus 1. Integral nito is e to the minus s plus 1 of t from 0 to infinity. So let us apply the limits. Remember, it is enclosed by this 1/2. 1/2 quantity, negative 1 over s minus 1. Upper limit, e to the minus infinity. Lower limit, e to the 0 because negative s minus 1 times 0 is 0. Minus 1 over s plus 1. E to the minus infinity minus e to the 0. That's 1/2 quantity. This is 0. This is 1. So this is negative 1 preceded by that is positive 1 over s minus 1. This is 0. This is minus 1. So magkakaroon tayo ng plus 1 over s plus 1. Then using LCD, that gives us 1/2 quantity s minus 1, s plus 1. We have here s plus 1 as LCD times that divided by the s minus 1 is s plus 1 times 1 is s plus 1. S minus 1, s plus 1 divided by the s plus 1 is s minus 1 times positive 1 is plus s minus 1. This 1 and negative 1 cancels out, so that gives 2s, which 2 cancels out there. That's s over s squared minus 1. So therefore, Laplace transform of hyperbolic cosine of t is simply s over s squared minus 1. So that will be our final answer.